Jungkook fell on his side. He stared at the ceiling for a long moment, trying to calm his racing heart. Beside him, Wan, his wife, or rather his contract wife, was also taking her rising and falling slowly. Silence filled the room, the kind of silence that was not empty but heavy. Jungkook turned his head slightly and looked at her. Her hair was spread across the pillow, her face relaxed, but her eyes wide open. She was not. She was thinking just like him. This was not supposed to happen. Jungkook said quietly, more to himself than to her. Wan did not answer right away. She turned on her side, facing him. But it did. She replied softly, and now we cannot pretend it did not. Jungkook clenched his jaw. The contract, the rules, the boundaries they promised to follow, everything felt blurred now. He reached out without thinking and brushed her fingers against her. Van did not pull away. Instead, she held his hand tight as if she was scared he might disappear. We are just husband and wife on paper, Jungkook said, his voice low. But every night it did not feel like that. Jungkook and Van arrived at his friend's party together. The place was loud, filled with music, laughter, and lights. Van stayed close to Jungkook. At first, her fingers slightly holding his sleeve more out of habit than fear. Jungkook noticed it immediately but did not say anything. Yeah, Jungkook. Jimin's voice rang out as he rushed toward them. So this is the wife you keep hiding? Before Jungkook could react, Taehyung joined in. His boxy smile bright. Wow, Cook, you really got a beautiful wife for yourself. Van felt shy but smiled politely. Hi, I'm Van. Don't be formal, Jimin said dramatically. We are angels, right, Taehyung? Of course, Taehyung replied, then leaned closer and whispered loudly. We just steal hearts. Van laughed soft at first, then louder when Jimin pretended to clutch his and fall back. Jungkook lifted his and took a slow sleep. His jaw tightened, his eyes throwing absolute. Why are they trying so? He thought, watching a Van laugh freely between Jimin and Taehyung. He told himself it did not matter. He told himself he did not care, but his grips on the glass said otherwise. Jimin cracked another joke and Van laughed again, her eyes crinkling, her face glowing under the lights. Jungkook looked at her properly, then that smile. It looked so good on her, he thought. He did not even realize when his expression changed until Taehyung noticed. Cook, Taehyung smirked. Why do you look like you are about to either or your wife? Jungkook shot him a warning look and shut up. Wan glanced at Jungkook, confused. Are you okay? He looked at her. Really look at her. Her concern, her soft voice, the way she was still standing slightly closer to him than before. Jungkook put his glass down. I'm fine, he said quietly, then placed his hand on her lower back. Protective, stay with me. Van's heart skipped, but she nodded. Okay. Jimin raised his brows dramatically. Ish, okay, okay, we get it, married couple vibes. But Jungkook did not hear him. All he could think was a contract wife or not. I don't like anyone else making her smile like that. And that realization scared him more than anything. The next morning, Jungkook sat in his office, the room quiet except for the soft flipping of pages. He was reading a file, important, urgent, but his mind was not there. His eyes suddenly stopped. A familiar name on the folder, marriage contract. His jaw tightened. Without hesitation, Jungkook picked it up and opened it. Page after page of cold words, conditions, and signatures stared back at him. No emotion, no promise, just rules. Then his eyes fell on one line. Contract ended date. First of a next month. His. What? He whispered. A sharp fear surged through him, fast and uncontrollable. The image of Van packing her bags, walking out of his life like this marriage meant nothing, made his feel tight. No, he muttered, standing up abruptly. She cannot leave me. His fingers trembled as he crushed the paper in his fist and threw them into the dustbin like they were nothing. He began pacing the room, running a hand through his hair again and again. What should I do? He murmured, frustration thick in his voice. What should I do so she cannot leave me? He stopped, closed his eyes for a moment. There was only silence and then clarity. Jungkook slowly opened his eyes. A slow smirk spread across his. I know. Now he said softly, confidence seeping back into his tone. I know exactly what I should do now. At home, Van stood quietly in the living room. Her eyes were fixed on the marriage photo placed neatly on their shelf. Jungkook stood beside her in the picture, cold, unreadable, serious, and she looked calm, almost soft, as if she already knew what she was stepping into. Van lifted the frame gently, her thumb brushing over the glass. A small smile appeared on her, then slowly faded. Her mind drifted back to the dead, to his father's words. Jungkook does not know how to, his father had said, his voice tired yet hopeful. Power, money, control, that's all he understood. But you, he looked at Van, then you have a passion. If anyone can teach him what is, it's you. Van had been silent that day. She remembered asking her softly, and if I fail? His father had sighed. Then at least he would have known what it feels like, even for a short time. That how that was how it started, not with a promises, but with a contract, a deal made of expectation and time limits. A marriage meant to soften a man who had built walls around his heart. Van placed the photo back and hugged her arms around herself. 1 month passed. Jungkook sat in his office, focused on his laptop when door opened. Dad, Jungkook stood up immediately, respect clear in his posture. His father raised a hand, signaling him to sit. Yes, I came to see you. Jungkook sat down slowly. His father looked at him calmly. Your contract with a van ended 2 days ago. Jungkook took his fingers curling into a fist. I don't want to leave her. His father studied him. Why? Silence fell in the room. Then, after a few heavy moments, Jungkook spoke, his voice firm and honest. Because she's my wife. The contract may have been made on paper, but I never saw her as a contract. His father's eyes softened. Did you tell Wan this? Jungkook shook his head. No. His father stood up. Then do it fast. With that, he walked out. At home, Van was folding her clothes when her phone rang. She answered surprised that a chuckle came from the other side. He's in with you, Van. I have never seen my son soften for anyone before, and it's because of you. I'm sorry for the contract. Van smiled softly. No, Dad, I know you did it so Jungkook will stay and learn to feel. He's coming home tonight, his father said gently. Maybe he'll finally confess. Van cheeks. Okay. They spoke a little longer before ending the call. That night, Van stepped out of the bathroom, towel wrapped around her. Hair damp, she froze. The room was glowing with a candlelight. Rose petals covered the floor, and in the center, Jungkook on one, holding a rose. I'm sorry, he said softly. I know I'm not a good man. You deserve better than me, but I'm greedy, so I'll try to become a better man, one who deserves you. His voice shook. Please don't leave me. I cannot live without you. Tear filled Van's eyes. Jungkook, standing up immediately. Why are you crying? I'm sorry. Did I say something wrong? Van lightly slapped his. Why did you take so long to confess? The light washed over his face. I'm sorry. It was for me to express it, but you. Van whispered. Jungkook smiled and moved to cup her face, but suddenly Van covered her mouth and ran to the bathroom. Jungkook rushed after her, holding her hair back. As she threw up, after a while she calmed down, raised her mouth and leaned against him. He caressed her head. Are you okay? Van closed her eyes, then suddenly widened them. Jungkook, she said slowly, I miss my period and now this? She looked at him suspiciously. Jungkook smiled nervously. Why are you looking at me like that? We have not been together for a long time, she said. The last time, did you use? Jungkook looked down. Jeon Jungkook, I'm sorry. He said quickly, please forgive me. Why did you do that? She asked. I wanted a wine. I softened. Are you telling the truth? He nodded. She pulled him into a hug. Jungkook wrapped his arms around her tightly. I want to start a family with you, he whispered. Ryan smiled against his and hummed softly, feeling safe in his. The contract had ended, but their forever had just begun.